Hey, Dan from Nancy and Dan Travel to Disney and beyond, and today we've got a real treat. Everyone's favorite, a room tour. This time it is room tour here at Disney's Grand California Resort. It is a deluxe studio, and it is Unit 2516. So let's go inside and take a look. Nancy and I just checked in. Initially, gorgeous theming, as is Disney's Grand California Resort. All right, let's work our way left to right. So lots of room here. There's going to be room for a scooter, lots of luggage, store them. Again, that's a connecting door to a 1-bedroom there. So this unit would combine to a 2-bedroom lockout. We're using it just as a studio. Nice touch here with the Shelby unit. Put your keys, magic bands, and so on. All right, continuing. Staying on the left, here is the kitchenette area. Got microwave up there. Real glasses, not plastic. Yay. Toaster, kitchen sink. There's the Mr. Coffee drip coffee maker with, yes, electrical outlets. Pair of them there. Coffee, condiments. Always like to check under the sink. I don't know why, just do. There's the waste paper basket there. And then, what is this? Is this a cooler or a mini fridge? Because again, important to many adults and seniors. Some need a place to store, cool place to store medication. This actually is pretty cool. Again, we got a thermostat adjustment there. Up here is the freezer section. And yes, that's ice crested there. So this should be able to store medicines that you may have that need storing in a cold environment. All right, so let's continue. Up at the top, at the microwave, as we saw earlier. And what's up here with the drawers? Well, here we have paper bowls, paper plates, plastic condiments, towel. And this is a deluxe studio here at the Grand California Resort. And here we have a set of 4 coffee mugs. Yay! I do like our morning coffee. Continuing. Space here again, if you needed to store even more luggage, you can. The dresser under the TV. Very nice. Got 6 very deep and wide and high drawers. Lots of storage. Excellent. Now here, it is dark. I will tell you one thing and note right away. This is a dark unit, not very well lit. It could be a concern to some folks with vision problems. But there are no electrical outlets anywhere here. So charging your smart devices may be a challenge. Let's see as we go. Very nice desk here, or table. Itself has a small drawer. And something that we saw over at the Disneyland Hotel, the DVC Tower. I'm not seeing this anywhere at the DVC Resorts in Walt Disney World or Fair Beach. Is small pad of paper and a pen to write notes. Interesting. 2 electrical outlets there, and this on-off switch with a light right above the table. Let's continue. There's a mirror there underneath the light. Again, 2 nice chairs, leather seats on the chairs. And then here is the balcony. Again, we are on the 2nd floor. I've already unlocked and unlatched the sliding door, why it opens so easily. It is a touch on the loud side. Walkway underneath, not used now. Does not look like it's a popular walkway, but right over there, yep, that's Disney's California Adventure. It's the other side of that fence. It's fully covered, I might add. And this is very deep, very wide balcony. Very nice. Really like that. Okay, let's go back inside. Okay, continuing our tour. Now again, it's one of the darker accommodations, Disney Vacation Club or hotel I've ever had at a Disney resort, whether it's Walt Disney World, Disneyland Resort. As you can see, there is absolutely no lights on the ceilings. Perhaps that's a fire code here in California, do not know. Here is the Murphy bed. Again, when these units were refurbished, Murphy beds were put in. I will show you how I pulled that down in just a minute or two. But very nice. God, I love this ceiling. Good sized desk. So on this first nightstand, there's no electrical outlet plug-in, but there is, and you can see I'm already starting to use it, a USB-C, and this is a USB, and that's a USB-C outlet, already charging some stuff, and the telephone. Cannot tell if there's electrical outlet behind this or not. Two lights over either side of the bed. Are they separately controlled? Well, let's try this light switch. Nope. Single light switch controls both of these lamps. That could be disappointing. Interesting wall hanging. Not much to say about it. But what I do have a lot to say about it is if I stand here, so here's the bed. Again, room underneath, more luggage storage if you need it. What's missing? And this is a common pet peeve of mine. It really makes me perturbed. Disney can do better. I do not understand why Disney Vacation Club does not do better. What's missing over here? There's no nightstand. And again, I'm not sugarcoating it at all. I'm not here to try and gain clients for our Nancy and Dan travel agency that specializes in Disney and in cruises for adults and seniors. Just telling you the straight goods. No nightstand on the one side. So somebody over there, and that's Nancy's side, somebody's gonna get, well, you know, the short end of the stick. I'll pull it politely. There's absolutely zero excuse for this. We were in Disneyland Duo Studio the last 2 nights, and I'll put a link to that either up here, you'll see it now, or at the end of this video. And in that smaller Duo Studio, there were 2 nightstands, one on each side. So for goodness sakes, Disney, if you could fit in a Duo Studio 2 nightstands, why can you only fit 1 nightstand on one side of the bed? Absolutely no excuse. Shame on you, Disney. So, if the person on this side needs to plug anything in, I don't know, CPAP machine? Then, here's your electrical outlet, right there. All right, let's continue. That's unfortunate, but this unit has a lot going for it. All right, so here's now the bathroom area. Very nice split bathroom design. To those of you not familiar with the term split bathroom, that's where the toilet and the combination tub shower can be closed off there, and then you still have the sink outside. Love that design. It's really, really nice. All right, here is the closet. The light does not come on automatically when you open the doors, unlike, once again, the Disneyland Towers Duo Studio, where the light came on automatically as soon as the first of the 2 doors were opened. There's the safe. And this safe, since again this building is older, you see Nancy's wallet there, but this is going to have standing up. It'll have room for a laptop, but it's a rather small safe. Just be aware of it. Real nice robes here. Actually, that's very nice to borrow, and I'm sure you can buy these down at the gift shop. All right, and yes, extra pillows, blankets, hangers. We close that up, keep things tidy. Both sides of the single sink have their own drawers. Again, nothing under the sink here. Huh, I don't know what this is for. Oh, you know what in the old days, that'd be for the Kleenex box. Now, the Kleenex box is gonna be right there. And again, good size mirror, real good size, and it's very well lit here. All right, so let's go into this part of the bathroom. Top floor, there's the toilet. Standard 3 bath towels is probably a floor mat. Nope, that 4th towel, because there's the floor mat right there. Let me pull aside. Shower curtains. This is a combination bathtub and shower. And with these, I'm seeing more and more that Disney is putting a handrail, but only where it's combination shower tub, not where it's a standalone tub or standalone shower. And here is the formerly known as H2O products: body wash, conditioner, shampoo. And there's one hook there. Okay. All right, so let's go back. Some of you may be curious, how does this Murphy bed work? So there it is there. Now do notice it has 2 cushions, 1 cushion there and 1 cushion there on the couch. I'm gonna set the video camera up here and then I'll show you how its bed is pulled down. So notice I prepared by removing the very nice coffee table that was there. I put it off to the side, and remember those 2 cushions on either side of the couch? Well, I have moved them over here. And again, that's just temporarily because the Murphy beds, are not designed to pull down from the wall with the cushions there, and most times without the freestanding coffee table. So I've moved them away. All right, let's get down to business and pull the Murphy bed down. Okay, so yeah, hi, it's me. Hey. So I'm gonna go proceed to show you how I pull down the Murphy bed. Anyone does. And you literally could use just one hand, which I will attempt to do that. As far as how much strength you need, it's not bad. I'm not Arnold Schwarzenegger or Mr. Universe or anything like that, as you can tell by my physique. So gentle pull down, and notice what happened. Notice that 1/3 of the way down, and this is the way that Disney has designed the Murphy beds, at least the ones I have personally pulled down and pushed back up in its various Disney Vacation Club units. When you pull the Murphy bed down, 1/3 of the way it stops, and that's intentional. Sort of like a brake, if you will, in case you want to make sure is there anything underneath that needs to be moved out of the way, like a child, for example. Okay, so that's really good safety thinking by Disney. Notice the 2 cushions would have really gone in the way. You can see what's happening to the couch. It has moved, and for sure that coffee table that I have pushed to the side would have gotten in the way. All right, let's continue. So now, slowly pulling it down with one hand, and there you go. So that's all there is to pulling down these Murphy beds in the Disney Vacation Club units. This particular one, the Grand Californian. Hope that helped. Okay, so one thing I did want to make mention of the Murphy bed here is, let's go in here, where's the lights? Are there any lights? And no, and again, this is dark. It's not me having poor video quality. There are no lights underneath, no lights here on the side. So again, this is one of my criticisms of the Disney Vacation Club units, at least this studio unit, is the poor lighting here. So remember, there are no nightstands or night tables specific for the Murphy bed. None here for sure. If you come across this large nightstand here, could be shared by the person on this side of the bed and the person on this side of the Murphy bed. There you go. I hope that helps you both with the demonstration of how the Murphy beds in the Disney Vacation Club units are pulled down with one hand. You saw me do that. After putting away to one side the cushions, the freestanding coffee table. If you'd like to see the video tour of the Duo Studio over at the Disneyland Hotel's DVC Tower, here's the link for that right now. Otherwise, there's a second video to watch on our YouTube channel for older adults and seniors focusing on Disney travel. Please remember to like this, give the thumbs up, and subscribe to this video if it's helped you in any way. We'll see you next time. Have a magical day, Disney style.